Hi everyone! I think STEM learning is always more fun with engaging hands-on experiments. Bigeye Scientist integrates biotechnology exploration into STEM learning for children aged 7 to 14, empowering them to make great scientific discoveries and develop a passion in STEM. Bigeye Scientist offers a wide selection of experiments that have real-world applications of problem-solving to improve learners' cognitive skills. This one's my favorite! You can also find videos on Bigeye Scientist that boost learners' understanding by relating the concepts taught to real-life contexts, like how cells are likened to Lego, a familiar toy for children. The program also comes with knowledge check worksheets to help promote reflective thinking in learners and enhance their critical thinking skills. I also love the experiment videos. These really spark curiosity and foster higher-order thinking skills among learners. Trying the experiments on your own is made easy with the experiment infographics provided. Through these simple, colorful, and engaging infographics, learners can get the hands-on experience they need to apply knowledge and skills to solve real-world problems.